am Dr. Devi, and the aims and objectives of our being in Kotla is number 1, to sterilize all the dogs to curb down the canine population in Kotla. Number 2, to give anti-rabies to all the dogs so that there is no risk of rabies in the community. Number 3, we are here to look after the cattle, needy cattle, like having wounds in the hooves, and like to dress them and to make them better. Well, I'm satisfied that I could do something in this community, and I hope I will get all the help from these residents of this place, especially these small kids. Thank you.